Hi, my name is Michele Sanford. I am a new owner who is looking to open a Wild Birds Unlimited store in Watertown, Connecticut, and I am hoping to open around January 2018. My interest in opening a Wild Birds Unlimited store began when I actually went to purchase a gift for a friend, and I Googled a specialty store in wild bird feeding, and I found our local store in Avon, Connecticut. My experience was just extraordinary from the moment I walked in the store to the service that I received, their expertise, the education and insight that was provided to me. I absolutely loved the store. After my visit, I visited several other times, became a Daily Savings Club member, which I absolutely enjoy and is very excited about today. And really thought hard about possibly opening up my own store, finding out it was a franchise opportunity. So from that point on, I visited a few other stores locally in Connecticut, had the same wonderful experience in each store, and decided to contact Wild Birds Unlimited. I would like to share that my experience so far with each and every employee at Wild Birds Unlimited, from Jim Carpenter to every other department, has been phenomenal. This team is truly a group of people who are passionate and care about this whole Wild Birds Unlimited franchise, and are there to support and guide each and every franchisor to have the best experience with their store and customers. What gives me the confidence to be a WB store owner is my interest to engage with each and every customer that is interested or involved in the current hobby of bird feeding and preservation of nature. I have found out that I have that inner drive to not only continue to learn and develop new partnerships in the community, as well as provide the outstanding services and products of Wild Birds Unlimited. I see myself enjoying my Wild Birds Unlimited store and possibly owning a second one, and offering the experience and opportunity for my employees to enjoy and share this passion with each and every customer.